As years passed by, I realized time flies, it really does. Can't believe that we are here bidding goodbye to our seniors on their final day at this beautiful place. So, as a tribute to them, here is a movie to relish those beautiful memories created by the Khetanians over the years. If students run for presidential elections, whom do you think would win?
I'm sure the way elections happen in India, Utkarsh Chaudhary happens to be one of the names that comes to my mind who would go on to win the elections.
I think for me it would be Shaurya because he's one of probably the best orator that we have in our school today, and he knows how to attract people towards him.
Okay, for me it would be Pragati Rajasthana of
Right.
12th C. She's able to voice her opinions and she has a mind of her own.
For elections, I would say Avarnika will become the president because of her approach towards life.
I think Shaurya Jain, yes.
It should be our head boy, Saurish Mahajan.
For presidential elections, Anishma.
Raghav Maheshwar.
In which student do you see your own childhood?
It has to be Rishabh Chauhan.
I think I see my childhood in Riddhi Sharma.
I find Muskan resembling too much to me. I was just like her in my childhood.
I see two people whom I identify. If you talk about my art form, I see my childhood in Ayushi Kumar. And if you see a little bit of playfulness and naughtiness, which I used to possess, which is not this Anasuya ma'am now, is Riddhima Sharma.
What is the most mischievous thing done by the students which you remember?
One thing I remember, one incident I remember, sometimes it happened many times in the class, like I am teaching in the class, the whole class is very sincerely listening to me and doing their work. Suddenly Piyush of 12th B start laughing and the whole class is like, क्या हो गया ये? And then when I asked Piyush कि what happened, then he is again laughing and laughing. He is not able even to answer कि what happened to him actually. And in the end, मैम आप पढ़ाओ. That's it.
1 year ago, the students celebrated birthday of their friends, and they made really mayhem in the class. That was the most mischievous moment I have remembered. I hope you people know to whom I am talking about.
मेरी मैथ्स का क्लास चल रही है, तो मेरा सब्जेक्ट ऐसा है और मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ और हमारे महानुभाव पीयूष शर्मा स्पिनर को घुमाते जा रहे हैं. मुझे दिख गया, किसी बच्चे ने मुझे इशारा किया आँख से कि मैम ये इसके हाथ में कोई चीज़ है. मैं गई, मैंने कहा व्हाट इज़ देयर इन योर हैंड? मैम नथिंग. आई सेड स्टैंड अप, व्हाट इज़ देयर इन योर हैंड? और मैंने खींचा, हाथ से स्पिनर निकल के आ गया. मैंने स्पिनर पकड़ा, गेट खोला और डस्टबिन सामने की क्लास में पड़ा था, सामने की क्लास के सामने डस्टबिन में जाके उसका स्पिनर फेंक दिया. और नेक्स्ट डे मुझे बच्चों ने बताया कि मैम पीयूष ने स्पिनर जो है डस्टबिन से बाहर निकाल लिया.
Most mischievous thing which I will remember with this batch, their planned mass bunk.
Which student comes to your mind when I say the words Jim?
Gurpreet.
I have two people that come to my mind. One is Rohit from 12th A and second one is Gurpreet Singh Nijjhar.
श्रेयांश मालवीय.
Gurpreet Singh Nijjhar.
Jim, I would say Gurpreet and Munish, perfect body and nice physique.
Jim, Shreyansh Malviya.
Gurpreet Singh.
Dance.
For dance, no doubt, Shruti Sehgal.
Okay, the first name that comes to my mind when I think of dance is definitely Ayushi Kumar.
I cannot segregate between my students. They were equally good. So Shruti Sehgal, Anishma, Ayushi Kumar and Riddhima Sharma.
Dramatic.
Being dramatic, I've got many stories about Itisha Bhardwaj. She's very sweet and very dramatic.
मेरी क्लास में तो एवरी टाइम इट हैज़ टू अवर्णिका या फिर रिद्धिमा. ड्रामेबाज है मेरा दीपांशु भसीन.
Rishabh Chauhan.
Dramatic, Ashutosh and Itisha.
Of course, Shaurya Jain.
Knowledge.
It has to be Kumar Saraf.
अपना वही कुमार सारा.
Kumar Saurav.
Kumar Saurav.
Kumar Saurav.
Food.
Aryan Jain.
Tanisha Yadav. I'm sure she can eat the whole day long.
It's Aryan, always having a cup of Maggie or sandwich in his hand while entering the class.
Nandini Sharma. मतलब every time I saw her eating. छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका. Most foodie of class 12 is definitely Anishma.
What is the most memorable moment of the class involving students?
The most memorable moment that I'll cherish the most is our one-day trip to Kurukshetra, where our bond, the teacher-student bond, became much stronger.
With the children of 12th D, no doubt a lot of memorable moments are there, but I would like to quote one. When we had to present an assembly, 2 days were left, nothing was planned, nothing was thought by them. I was so tensed. But at that time, the values which I saw in them, the way they handled the situation, the way they took care of each other, they organized the thing, and apart from that, they just consoled me and told me, I still remember their sentence, ma'am, please chill. Everything will be okay. And when they presented the assembly, it was just awesome.
It was on my birthday when some of the students came to my classroom and they had a birthday cake in their hands, different and unique styles of birthday cakes, and it was written some catchphrases which I used to speak in my classes, and on that day only I realized that they were observing me very minutely, and the phrases were lock kar dein, okay report.
The most memorable moment of the class when UT1 result was declared and whole class was all giving good marks. So even students and me were very happy at that time.
We all know that a teacher teaches students various things, but what is one thing you learn from the students?
Actually, teaching itself is a learning process for a teacher. But as I told you before that I have interacted very closely with this outgoing batch, 2 things I have learned from them and the feeling which they have given me. First of all, they have given me an all-encompassing feeling of motherhood. And number 2 is one of the student of mine who is very naughty. She has taught me a great balance in life. Riddhima Sharma. She has taught me that how to balance between the extreme prank naughtiness and how to become a topper of the class in the same hand.
One thing that I've learned from these students is how to fool the authorities. Your take on that?
Yes, I would go with innovative excuses, although they are not very innovative, but the students would like to believe that.
Oh, I've learned so many things, but one thing which I've learned, never estimate the power of your students. They are amazing. They are braver than you think and they are smarter than you believe.
Things learned. I have learned a lot of things from my students, from being their confidence to the innovative ideas to the thing that they bring to life. But the best, I would say, is the excuses that they make in school.
So many things I have learnt from them, but the most beautiful and good thing is speaking lies with damn innocent face.
To whom would you give the following awards? Jai Viru of the Year.
Piyush and Aryan.
Aryan Jain and Piyush Sharma.
Anishma and Shruti Sehgal.
Sumit and Manav from 12th A.
Abhay and Jay Narayan.
All of them I think so are Jaiviru. But if we go by, as I have been given a choice, so I have to speak the names. Rajat and Rohan.
Jaiviru, Rishabh and Utkarsh.
I guess Devansh and Harshit Vimal.
For me, it is definitely Piyush Sharma and Aryan Jain.
Rohit Sharma and Shaurya Jain.
Shaitani Keeda.
It is Tarun.
Rishabh Chauhan.
Shaitani Keeda would be definitely 120%, 50% be Piyush. Piyush and Piyush.
शैतानी कीड़े तो बहुत सारे हैं, पर आशुतोष शर्मा, Top.
I have many. Example, Ashutosh, Siddharth Raj.
And yes, Utkarsh Chaudhary as well.
Oh, there are many. But whom I have seen personally is Dipanshu,
Mr. Outstanding, always out of the class.
इतिशा भारद्वाज बाहर चली गई तो अंदर लाना मुश्किल हो जाता था.
Siddharth Raj Singh. He has to be the name who is out of the room the moment period gets over.
Jishan.
Harsh Matpal. He's always out of the class.
Daksh.
The washroom after every period.
The washroom after every period, I remember in class 10 it would always be Avarnika in my class.
Isha Daya and Avarnika.
It has to be Piyush.
Unanimously, Utkarsh Chaudhary.
Best sports person.
Best sports person? Not one, but three. In girls, I would say Shreya Subhash for swimming, and in boys, Munish Singh and Rohit Kumar for being the outstanding national player for Khitan Public School.
I think it's Harshit Vimal.
The most sincere.
From 12th A, there are many I want to name. Anshika, Saurish, Nyashi, Riddhi, Khushi Jain. They all are sincere kids. I love all.
Most sincere, if I remember, was always Kajal Panchal.
And for me, it would be Suniti Sahai.
Yes.
For this, I would recommend Muskan Sanghi.
Most sincere, I think, Srishti.
In fact, all the students are very sincere in class 12 sections, but especially I recommend Saurish Majan, Khushi Jain, Anshika Paruthi.
Suniti Sahai.
Comedian of the year.
No doubt, Dipanshu Bhasin.
Anant, definitely.
Dipanshu Rai.
Anand Sharma.
Dipanshu Rai, 12th A.
What will you miss the most about the outgoing batch?
There is not only one thing that I would miss about this batch. So many things, like their innocence after getting scolded from me, and their naughty behavior, their mischievous acts, their dedication and hard work towards their studies, and the connection that I felt with each one child of the class, complaining for each other, sometimes like very small kids, hearing many funny things from them. This all I'm going to miss about them.
I miss your love, the honor which you have given to me. I miss you all.
The reason behind missing the most of the present class 12 batch is that is my first batch when I've joined the school 5 years back.
The most important thing which I will miss with this batch has given me insightfulness to be more connected with my batch. This is the most important thing which I am going to miss. Yes.
Actually, this outgoing batch is the first batch who has taken my subject directly. So definitely there is a first impression and love and bonding kind of thing with them. The love which I have received from them, that I'll be missing mostly.
I wish all the very best to all the students of grade 12. Wish them all the luck that they require. Keep rocking, keep gymming, and stay fit.
So all the best everyone. I hope you pass with flying colors. May God bless all of you, and I'm always there for you. Thank you, children.
So the message here I think remains the same. So I would also like to wish all the students best of luck for their exams and a very bright future.
Well, the hopes are many, the wishes are many, and I'm sure everyone that you come across will give you loads of them. What I wish for you is that you find your answer sheets amongst people who are not as good as you are. So the examiners are forced to give you more marks. Let's hope for the best.
My wholehearted wishes are there with you all. Whatever you do in your professional life, be a win some and win some. But definitely be a wonderful human being. Whatever values we may have given. And in this present time, in this century, we need good human beings. All the best. Love you all.
Hello class 12 students. I know it has been a year which must have given you many memories, but then the time has come where all the hard work that you have put in throughout this year, that needs to come into fruition. So I wish you all the very best. I hope that you will all come out with flying colors and please remember, you all are very special. Thank you.
Wishing you oceans of good luck for your future, your career, and your exams. You all are rock stars. So rock the world and be the winner. I'll miss you and I love you all.
Hi to all the beautifully dressed audience, my children. All the best for your board exams. Don't forget to be a little naughty and follow your passions and dreams. Wishing you success throughout your life. Thank you.
Children, best of luck to you. I love you all. Be happy and great success comes to you in your life. Thank you.
Today, I want to wish all the students of batch 2019-20 the very best. I know you have worked very hard. You have worked with the best of the faculty. You have always taken up the pride to be Khetania. One message which I want to extend on this occasion for all, that give your 100% in everything you do in life, because there is no shortcut to success. Thank you.